half already, so
Okay.
we can.
All right, let's do it.
No one's choking yet. This is good. Laura's gonna explode. Jessica's gone into some sort of trance. Uh-oh. No pooping. Oh no, there are tears. Okay,
You can do it. You made it past the worst part.
Oh no.
Just some tears coming out. It's okay. You can do it. It's mind over matter.
Think of Rudy.
Gotta
Think
focus.
of Rudy and oh, sorry. Shut up. Stop.
Just focus. You're doing great. You can do it. But you can do it. Mind over matter.
Uh-oh. I'm having a hard time keeping everybody in.
You know you're upset.
But we have to say something if you're gonna post this somewhere, for heaven's sake.
Don't. Just everybody calm down. You can do it.
Okay. Do it overhead. Oops. Laura did it!
You did it? Okay, you gotta show. You gotta show the camera.
Shit.
I'm getting off my teeth.
It's okay. We want to see your teeth too.
The teeth are good. Oh, that cinema's gone. And Jess almost there. Still working the last little bits. Almost. She did it! Yes! Look at you!
Everybody!
All right.
Something for the fans.
Yes! All right. What do you have to say about the cinnamon challenge?
That fucking sucks.